evening. It's Quant Trade Edge, and just wanted to give you an update on Sunday. Friday was an incredible reversal off of the jobs number low, and ended up being quite a hard rally. And this evening, the futures are opening down lower, but there has been, a change to the nature of the market, given Friday's action. This right here is the SMH, the Semiconductors ETF, and you can see that the all-time high that we hit late 2021 before the 2022 pullback was retested when we had all of the enthusiasm in NVIDIA and other AI stocks. And, the thought being that chips needed to run those AI stocks are going to be, is going to push the sector higher. Now, this is a weekly chart, and you'll notice here, when we hit that resistance, we pulled back, and we got a very clean A, B, C. And furthermore, if you've been watching the recent videos with the 2B pattern on crude oil, this is basically a 2B pattern. We have this initial low, and I'll blow this up so you can see it really big. You have this initial low, you get a bounce off that low, we get a new low with a close below that low, and then we get a recovery bar, and as soon as we take out this bar, that gives us the signal. And that bar got taken out on, I believe it was on Friday. Yeah. So that's where it happened. It happened on Friday. So this is a really bullish pattern. It's basically, this is basically your cup, and you're going to have a handle of sorts form here, and then that could set up a breakout higher. And, the semiconductors are very similar to the Qs. You can see the semiconductors are acting a little stronger. But if you look at what happened in the Qs, this rough area up here near the top, catching the bars here, created resistance when we got up here in July. And then we got the same type of ABC pattern. The only difference being this isn't a proper 2B, and that's only because we didn't get a close below this previous low. We only got a test below and reversal, but then we've also gone above the high there. So this also looks very similar to the SMH, just not as potent. So that's something to keep an eye on as we move forward. It could be possible that we've seen the lows, and that was our capitulation, and now we're heading into a seasonal Q4 ahead of an election year. That would be the bullish argument, and this pattern closing is the first step towards that. If Friday's low, or not Friday's low, but if the low of the pattern, which was the previous week's low, gets taken out, that would be your sign that all bets are off on the bullish case. And the same thing on SMH, that would be below 139.76. This pattern is no longer valid, but unless that happens, the path of least resistance is to the upside.